Hey beautiful people, welcome again to Terry's Kitchen. So on today's recipe I want to show you on how to make milk and egg chapati. Kindly watch the video to the end so that you won't miss any step. For this chapati recipe you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar and some salt to taste. You're going to mix all the dry ingredients well, then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, then you're going to mix that until it is crumbly as shown in the video. After that, we're going to add in 1 egg, then we're going to mix the flour and the egg until it is well combined. After the egg and the flour is well combined, we're going to add the milk gradually. Then we're going to mix until you form a dough. Make sure your milk is warm. After that, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and knead the dough until it is soft. After dividing the dough into 5 portions, you're going to let them rest for about 10 minutes before rolling them out. After rolling out the dough, you are going to spread some oil as shown in this video. Then you're going to sprinkle some milk powder. But if you don't have milk powder, you can just sprinkle some flour. After sprinkle some flour, you're going to fold as shown in this video. When doing this recipe, kindly fold the dough as shown in these videos because you are not making the normal round chapatis, you are making the square chapatis. So your fold should be as shown in this video. You'll then repeat the process of rolling out the dough, spreading some oil and sprinkling some milk powder, then fold as shown in this video until all the doughs are done. After rolling out the dough, you're going to place it on a heated pan. Then you're going to pan fry it for about 2 minutes both sides before adding some oil. You then add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and start frying your chapatis until they are nicely golden brown. Make sure you fry your chapatis until both sides are nicely golden brown and well cooked. Then you're going to remove them from the heat and set them aside, and repeat the process of frying other chapatis until you're done. You repeat the process of frying the chapatis until all are done. Guys, if you have any recipe you want me to do, kindly let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to do it for you. Thank you so much for the love and support you have shown me on my previous videos. I don't take you for granted. Be blessed for that. As you can see from these videos, our chapati turned out so well. They were so delicious and flavorful. Kindly do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section after trying. Don't forget to give me a like, comment and share with others so that they can learn how to make their milk egg chapatis. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to Zara's kitchen. So on this recipe I'm going to show you on how to make carrot chapatis in a very simple way. Kindly watch the video to the end so that you won't miss any step. So for this recipe I've used 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Then I'm going to add some salt and sugar to taste. After that we're going to mix that well until the sugar and salt is well combined with the flour. After that, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of cooking fat. So you can either use cooking fat or just cooking oil. Then you're going to mix that until it's crumbly. After that, you're going to add some carrot. I've used 1 grated carrot. So you're going to mix that on the flour and mix it well. Then you're going to add in some warm water gradually. So you're going to mix to form a nice dough. You're going to knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes, because when you want your chapatis to be soft, the dough should be soft and well kneaded. After a well knead on the dough, you're going to let it rest for about 5 minutes before you take it out and roll it. After rolling out the dough, you're going to divide it into portions as shown in the video. Then you're going to fold each portion as shown in this video. This type of folding helps the chapati to have layers after frying them. So you're going to fold each portion, then you're going to let them rest for about 10 to 15 minutes before you roll them out and start frying your chapatis. You'll then roll out the dough into a nicely round shape. After that, you're going to place it on a heated pan. So you're going to pan roast it for 2 minutes each side before you put some oil. You'll then fry the chapatis with the cooking fat until they are well cooked and nicely golden brown. Kindly do as shown in this video. When the chapati is nicely golden brown and well cooked, you're going to remove it from the pan, and then you're going to repeat the process of frying the chapatis. You repeat the process of frying the chapatis until all done, and make sure your heat is on medium. Guys, thank you so much for always choosing to watch my videos. I don't take you for granted, and for that reason, if you have any recipe you want me to do, kindly let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to do it for you. As you can see, my chapatis turned out so well. They look so soft and delicious. Kindly do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section after trying. And also don't forget to give me a like, comment and share with others so that they can learn making their own chapatis at home. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Until next time, bye bye.